In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve Yahoo Mail login problem. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen or keep getting an error, don't worry. We'll go through a simple sequence of checks so you can quickly figure out what's wrong and get back into your inbox. Start by confirming your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, then open a different website to see if it loads normally. This quick test tells you whether the issue is with your connection or with Yahoo specifically. If other sites load fine, you can move on confidently. If they don't, the login problem is likely network-related rather than a Yahoo issue. Next, verify your login details. Double-check that your Yahoo email address is typed correctly, including any dots, hyphens, or numbers. For your password, remember it's case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is what you expect. If you can't remember the password, select the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset it using your recovery email or phone. Create a strong new password you'll remember and keep it private. If the details are correct, but you still can't sign in, clear your browser data. Open your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data, then select Cache and Cookies. The cache stores website files to speed things up, and cookies store your login state, but when either becomes outdated or corrupted, sign-in can fail or loop. Be aware that clearing cookies will sign you out of other sites, so be ready to log back in. After clearing, completely close the browser, reopen it, and try signing in again. If that doesn't work, try a different environment. Open a private or incognito window and attempt to log in there. Incognito runs without your saved cookies, and often without extensions, which helps rule out conflicts. If it still fails, switch to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Using an up-to-date browser can resolve compatibility issues that block sign-in. Still can't fix it? Head to Yahoo's official help center and search for Yahoo Mail login problems. From there, use the sign-in helper to recover your account securely. It will guide you through confirming your identity and regaining access using your registered recovery email or phone. Always make sure you're on an official Yahoo page before entering any details, and never share verification codes with anyone. Follow these steps in order, and you'll usually pinpoint the cause and get back into your Yahoo Mail quickly and safely.